Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. As we come to the final in the series, we can see the painting taking shape. This is a crack repair system that we've developed for crack breaching without having to demolitionally destruct the wall on this wall. These plinths have had bandage and floated over. We've stripped all the metal down to the inception and then started with the new coating on top. The tops of these flat roofs we've waterproofed. There's a lot of other flat roofs around the house I'll do another video for. As you can see, we've got these gable truss ends we're treating next to stop the bleaching, as you can take note here, from the elements that are in contact with the wood. So we'll be color coding that back to the grey metal color. The corner posts on all the aluminium windows have been painted. This I-beam, as you notice, is not the same color as it was in the previous videos. That's because we've color coded it to the lighter color. It was kicking, which means expanding and contracting into this section and causing huge crack there. The outlet exhaust from this balcony also comes through that corner with the gutter downpipe from the roof. So there was a lot of water also in this corner, which we've crack bridged with metal plates, and it's all been repaired. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.